Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Chemistry Past Question 22. A major factor considered in selecting a suitable method for preparing a simple salt is its A. Crystalline form, B. Melting point, C. Reactivity with dilute acid, and D. Solubility in water. Now, a salt simply refers to a compound formed. Salt refers to compounds that are formed when the replaceable hydrogen ion are either completely or partially replaced by a metal. Now we can say salt is formed when a metal replaces the hydrogen ion of an acid. Now, there are various types of salts, ranging from the acid salt, the base salt, the double salt, complex salt, and all these salts are actually prepared in the laboratory. Method for preparing these salts actually depends on two factors. Number one factor is the solubility in water. And number two factor that is considered for salt preparation is its stability to heat. But now this question is asking us for the method that is for the factor that is required as a suitable method for preparing a simple salt. Now, for you to prepare a simple salt, the major factor that is actually considered is its solubility in water. That is how soluble the salt will be in water, whether it will be soluble in water or insoluble in water. And looking at it, that is option D. So solubility in water is the major factor considered in selecting a suitable method for preparing salts, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.